Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to reset and pair a Google TV streamer remote. First, check the batteries or put new ones. If you have problems with your Google TV device remote, hold down the mute and the select buttons on the remote until the light flashes in your remote. Now, grab your Google TV streamer and hold down the reset button for a few seconds until the pairing mode appears on your TV screen, then let go. Now, press the back and home buttons at the same time until the light starts flashing. As you can see, the remote is now working again. That's it for today. Please subscribe if it's the first time you're watching my videos. See you in the next one.